5 Best Python Online Courses for Beginners to Learn in 2023 Part 1. Python is one of the best programming languages in the tech world and a great tool. If you want to become a software developer, data scientist, web developer, or machine learning engineer, I've listed some of the best 5 courses to learn Python. 1. 100 Days of Code: The Complete Python Pro Bootcamp for 2023. What you learn. You will master the Python programming language by building 100 unique projects over 100 days. You will be able to program in Python professionally. Create a portfolio of 100 Python projects to apply for developer jobs. And more. 2. Complete Python Developer in 2023 Zero to Mastery. What you learn. Become a professional Python developer and get hired. Learn object-oriented programming. Build 12+ real-world Python projects you can show off. And more. 3. Python for Everybody Specialization on Coursera. What you learn. Install Python and write your first program. Use variables to store, retrieve, and calculate information. Describe the basics of the Python programming language. Utilize core programming tools such as functions and loops. 4. The Python Mega Course. What you learn. You will learn Python basics, build GUIs, web apps, APIs, data science, OOP, web scraping. You will build 11 big Python applications and solve 9 projects. You will learn Git, GitHub, deployment, SQL, HTML, Figma, Venv, debugging, and more. 5. Introduction to Python Programming. What you learn. The fundamental design cycle of computer science and computer programming: writing code, executing it, interpreting the results, and revising the code syntax based on the outcomes. Usage of the fundamental atoms of programming: variables, mathematical operators, logical operators, and Boolean arithmetic. Control structures for developing dynamic programs, including Python libraries, conditionals, loops, functions, and error handling. And more. Happy learning. In the description below, you will find all links. Thank you for watching this video. I look forward to seeing you at the next one.